Good morning, student. This is class 5th science. Let us continue your chapter number 4, sense organ. The organ which help us to know about the outside world around us are called sense organs. Sense organ, an organ of the body which respond to external stimuli by conveying impulses to the sensory nervous system. The five sense organ are eyes, nose, eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. How many sense organ? 5. And name: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes are the organ of the visual system. The eyes are our most important sense organ. We see the beautiful world around us with the help of eyes. The colored circle in the eye is the iris. Look at the picture. The colored circle in the eye is the iris. The iris of the eye is the thin circular structure made up of connective tissue and muscles that surround the pupil. The black spot in the center of the iris is pupil. The black spot in the center of the iris is called pupil. Pupil is a hole located in the center of the iris of the eye that allows light to strike the retina. It appears black because light rays entering the pupil are either absorbed by the tissue inside the eye directly or absorbed after diffuse reflection within the eyes. The mostly existing the narrow pupil. Light enters the eye through the pupil. The nerve cells in the eye send messages along a optic nerve to the brain. Optic nerve is located in the back of the eye. The job of optic nerve is to transfer visual information from the retina of the vision centers of the brain by electrical impulses. The brain reads the messages and enables means make it possible for us to see the object. The front part of the eye is protected by a transparent means allowing light to pass through so that objects behind can be distinctly seen. Covering called cornea. Cornea is the transparent form part of the eye that covers the iris, pupil and anterior chambers. Eyelids and eyelashes also protect the eyes. They keep out dust and dirt. Now turn your page. Ears. The ear is the organ of hearing and mammals balance. In mammals, the ear is usually described as having three parts of the outer ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. We hear sound through our ears. The sound of an object enters the outer ear and travels through the middle and inner ear. From there it is sent to the brain by the nerves. Ears also help us to keep our balance. Look at the picture. External ear. And next, nose. Nose is the body primary organ of smell and also function as a part of the body. Respiratory system. Air comes into the body through the nose. Nose help us to smell different objects. In the upper part of our nose, there are endings of nerves which are sensitive. Sensitive means quick to detect or respond. Slight changes, signals, or influences to smell. They send the message to the brain and the brain tells us what the smell is. Look at the picture. Internal structure of the nose, tip of the nose and nostrils. When we have a blocked nose, no air can reach the nerve ending and we cannot smell. The senses of smell and taste are linked. Our food does not taste good if we cannot smell it because of a blocked nose. Next, tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ in the mouth. The tongue is covered with moist pink tissue called mucosa. Tiny bumps called papillae give the tongue its rough texture. Thousands of taste buds cover the surface of the papillae. Taste buds are collection of nerve like cells that connect to the nerves running into the brain. We can sense four types of taste. Sweet, sour, salt and bitter. These are sensed by means of four kinds of nerve ending in our tongue. These are called taste bud. Taste bud, any of the cluster of bulbous nerves ending on the tongue and in the living of the lining of the mouth, which provide the sense of taste. These taste buds are grouped together in different regions of the tongue. Look at the picture, tongue showing taste buds. Thousands of taste buds present. Bitter, sour, salt and sweet. Tip of the. Next, skin. The thin layer of tissue forming the natural outer covering of the body of a person or animal is called a skin. Skin is the protective, means intended to protect some. Intended to protect some. Outer covering. Skin is the protective outer covering of our body. It contains nerves ending which detect, means discover or identify. Sensation means a physical feeling from something that happen to or comes into contact with the body, of touch, pain, heat or cold. Some parts of our skin, such as fingertips, have more nerves ending than other part of the body, so these are more sensitive. Skin.